Welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, today we're not working on this. I'm going on holidays and I'm meeting up with Oven Boy and we're going on a surfing trip down to Wilson's Promontory, and it's one of my favourite haunts from way back, and we're going to take you guys down and show you this beautiful part of Australia and what we get up to. So anyway, come along with a journey with us and check it out. Yep. Here we are down at Wilson's Prom. Let me come and show you my little campsite. Check it out. Got the kayak. Got the surfboards. Got my Ford Transit. There's my little solar panel array with 3000 watt inverter, 2 CTEC units, 120 amps going back into the system, and then we've got our little control panel there which tells us what's going on with the sun. And I've got two 200 watt solar panels, so 400 watts total, and you can see I've got 100% charge on the battery up there. That's what's glowing green, and I have a 250 amp hour AGM battery which is under the bed, and it's 40 kilos. It's an absolute tank. And we've got our 12 volt fridge, and obviously my bed, and I've got the 9-foot mal up above me. I've also got a fan, extraction fan up here, got LED lights, and then I've also got some mood lighting, as you can see here. So there's a couple of little, there you go. At night it kind of glows around the place, looks pretty cool. Turn that on there. So that's my little setup. And then of course I just use these little blank out Velcro, stick them up over all the windows, over the back windows as well, so you can get a good night's sleep without any hassles. You can see there. So that just magnetised to the back, and yeah, the tent comes off the side here, so if it's raining, which it's going to be this trip, we can just cook inside here and be all happy as Larry. Now Oven Boy's on another site just further down the road here, so we'll go and check him out later. But this is pretty much the setup here for us, and I've brought the kayak to do a bit of fishing as well. There's our panels out the front here. It's the morning and we're going for a surf. Let's go and check it out. We'll go and see Oven Boy, and let's go for a ride on the bike. wax. We're going to wax some boards. Where are the boards? Oh, they're under the trailer. All right, board waxing time here. Hey, come back here. Bloody rolled away from me, now it's got dirt all over it. Damn it. Luckily I got it done in time. So this is Oven Boy's little domain here. There's a bird.
Bed.
Oh, there's a bed. I thought there was a bird.
Hopefully there's a bird in the bed.
Well, I was going to say there better be a bird in the bed.
It's always a more fun way. Yeah, and what a mess. We've already been camping for, what, at least a day? It's full of dirt already. Good old prom mud.
Yeah, we've got a fridge. We've got...
Okay, fridge, bed up the top, which is folded back at the moment. There's a storage facility at the moment. The kids have grown up and they're too big to be out there now.
Yeah, there you go.
We used to hold 2 kids or 3 on a big day.
Yeah.
Not many.
And you've got the solar panel array at the front.
Yeah, it's sitting on the windscreen.
There's
Dual fuel. That's one of the fridges, an extra fridge.
Big fridge there.
Because we're here for a week.
Yep. And then... and then
Sorrentina coffee machine.
we need that. That is very, very important.
That's already done a couple of workouts this morning.
Yep. You got, there's the panel on the front here.
Yeah, the other panel's at my friend. Because her battery is large, she's borrowing it for the morning. So 400
and of course the kayak.
There's 480 watts on solar panels, 80 on the roof, 200, another 200.
Yeah.
And yeah, that keeps them all going.
And also aviation
Landing lights, yes. So it's very important when those kangaroos start jumping in front of you.
Aren't they illegal? Shh, maybe not.
No, they're fine.
No, they're fine.
No, they're not illegal now. Not the LED technology.
No, they're way brighter than that.
And the
aren't
overworked tow ball and tow bar.
Yeah,
and the bumper bar.
yeah. We're not going to talk about this. I need to fix this at some point.
Yeah, it's been only 10 years. That's all right.
And then
2 Hobies, tow the trailer, the bed, the 2 litre standard motor. It doesn't like towing and all that.
And then they don't come in through here? No.
Well, we haven't tried it yet. No. Oh, it's not Megan. Yeah. But didn't have half ice cream.
Cool.
Breakfast is served.
All right, we're going for a surf in a minute. I'm going to take you guys out in the water too. Cute little waves out there.
And lots of people to play on.
Yeah, not big. I got the 9-footer today. I figured we'll just get some cruisers. Hopefully not get eaten by the marsh flies, because that happens.
When you're wet.
Yeah. Now how's this for a beautiful beach? That's it, boys and girls, I'm out of here. Righto guys, so now we're getting ready to go for a fish. And unfortunately the GoPro 9 got water in it and it died. And I also snapped my fishing rod, and one of the flippers off the kayak broke off too. So not a good start to the holiday, but I'm getting a new GoPro from GoPro, I suppose, a GoPro 9. So anyway, so yeah, Clancy's there. We're just about to head over the headland to go and do some fishing over at Squeaky Beach. So we're just getting all the rods ready. Hopefully we don't break any more equipment, because that would be bad. Righto, so let's go get the equipment and start the long walk over the headland. We've got Oven Boy coming too, so we're just waiting for him to get to the camp, and off we go. So this is the river which is on the side of Tidal River, and we have to walk around. You can see Whale Rock up there, looks like a whale, and there used to be a bridge right next to Whale Rock, and that actually washed away quite a few years ago, and so they built a bridge a little bit further up inland a bit, so we've got to go and head to that and then bounce back around along. Righto guys, so here we are at the corner of Squeaky Beach, and you can see Oven Boy and Clancy there putting the rods in, and we're just after some Australian salmon or flathead, anything we can get really. We've pretty much got just lures, spinning lures on at the moment, but you can get mullet in there too. You can get garfish, just depending on what's biting at the time. Unfortunately, we were there for probably a couple of hours and we just didn't seem to get anything. There just wasn't any fish around. But this is a really good surfing spot, Squeaky Beach. It always gets a bit more swell than Tidal River, and probably better suited to experienced surfers. You get more of a barreling wave, so it's a bit more rippier. And I've had more than a few people I've saved off the rocks there too. So Clancy's given up there. He's like, nah, we're getting no fish here. Here comes Oven Boy. He tried up the beach. He got nothing as well. The birds were hanging around us waiting for a free meal, but they got nothing either. That's a Pacific gull, and yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all she wrote. So hope you enjoyed this little trip down to Wilson's Prom. We're going to do another one in late February sometime. We'll see how we go. But really, we've got a couple of good days of surfing. Unfortunately, no fish this time, but there's always next time. So we'll catch you in the next video coming up, and we'll be back on Josh's 55 panel bands. So until then, we will catch you later. Woo!